Have you ever wondered why your brain confuses smell and taste? Let's dive into the fascinating world of sensory perception. Our senses are constantly working together to create our perception of the world around us. It's not just about one sense. They all collaborate to give us a rich experience. Specifically, smell and taste have a particularly close relationship, often influencing each other more than you'd think. Let's first explore the olfactory system, which is responsible for our sense of smell. Your nose is a powerful detector, capable of identifying thousands of different aromas. We have various types of smell receptors, each sensitive to different chemical compounds, creating a diverse aromatic palette. Now let's turn our attention to the gustatory system, which is all about taste. The tongue is the hero of taste, with its specialized taste buds designed to pick up different flavors. We're familiar with the 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. But there's more to flavor than just these. This is where the magic happens. Retronasal olfaction, the secret behind flavor confusion. When you chew, aromas are released and travel up the back of your throat to your nasal cavity, creating the sensation of flavor. This combined experience of smell and taste is what we perceive as flavor, which is much richer than just taste alone. So how does our brain integrate all these signals to create our perception of flavor? The brain has specialized areas that combine information from both smell and taste receptors, creating a unified flavor profile. The limbic system, our emotional brain, also plays a huge role, connecting certain foods with memories and feelings. Let's look at some everyday examples of how this confusion manifests. When you have a stuffy nose, food often tastes bland. This is because retronasal olfaction is blocked, preventing aromas from reaching your olfactory receptors. Even texture and temperature influence our perception of flavor, adding another layer to this complex sensory experience. It's an intricate dance between smell, taste, and even touch that creates the full spectrum of flavor. So next time you eat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible interplay of your senses. Enjoy the full flavor.